I went riding on my bike.
He went riding on his bike.
With spanner, pump back and front light.
With spanner, pump back and front light.
A marathon I'm entering.
A marathon he's entering.
I'm raising for a charity. Sponsors come running to me. I've learned to cut that yellow line and park my bike there anytime, no minute. Money for the meter men, the road tax up to pay to them. The petrol pump's been blown sky high. I am wanting now a folk ready. I got to Dundee just last week, but you're not silly, believe in me. We sold our car to skip the fine, £10 I found I couldn't find. Oh no, you don't fool Morris. I've had my fill of petrol fumes, attached myself to big balloons and pumped them full of precious air. The traffic jams look with despair.
Let me set them off. We're going to on the march, get set roll. Wait till the next.
On my bike I long to see.
Come on, Andy.
Pedal pushes at a mellow pace.
9:30.
With directions simple to trace. I hope we get that extra change. That child's broken wing.
Right, Nathan's going to set you off.
And
Matt! Get set! Go!
Money for the meter men.
Come on, see you back. See ya.
Riding treetop high.
Here, I'll give you
Come on, guys, come on!
Got license! Don't get on it, Wappy. Well done, keep going! Come on, man, keep going! Scott Dyson in last place. Well done, boys, come on! Only another 78 miles to go! Is that Scott Dyson in last place? Let's zoom and look.
get a bacon sandwich?
I know, sorry, we're not open yet.
Nearly done?
Almost.
Where's Stato?
In front here.
Stop! 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 Do you want me to take you through? No, I'm going to do it.
Shame, babe.
Stopped over here and then the lads about 100 yards behind.
You alright, Andy?
Yeah, we took a detour back there.
Got a drink? Let's do it a little bit. You alright? Do you want a drink?
No, I'm fine, good.
You're fine? Okay then.
Alright, see you later.
I don't know where he is.
With the latest LCD and plasma TVs, plus cinema surround sound from Walkers. This weekend's being...
You should left here, mate.
Ah, yeah, go footpath there now. That's it. Dave, don't go to roundabout, take it straight to the roundabout. Follow Dave. Stop it. You alright, Ian?
Alright, Badger.
Ian, take this left, don't look at round. You alright, Rob? You keeping going? Take left, Rob, but don't go to roundabout.
This is Rob Island Crusade, I think.
Rob, you want to be turning left, Rob, but go on this footpath, this first one here. Turn left. Turn left. You alright, Rich?
Yeah. Which way?
Rich, follow them there, and then to left, just
Shut up. How do you feel so far?
Keep going
Top of the world.
on the
top
left,
of
keep
the
going
world.
straight.
Scott Dyson, how do you feel?
My house feels like I've been to a Michael Barrymore pool party. One of the shitting bricks for a week. Tell you what, this is fucking ridiculous.
Are you doing that? She is right.
You're on a fucking moped.
get on. Phil's doing Johnny go to Land's End.
We're not bothered, are we? Somebody's got to be last. I hope you're on the right one. I feel like somebody's nicked my legs and put a couple of chopsticks with How do you feel? Has he gone, Panda? What we call it? Yeah, it's gone on. Is he alright, Stato?
He says, I'm alright, I just want to bloody get home.
It's the best way about it, isn't it?
How do you feel, Phil?
Absolutely bloody terrific, Nathan. I'm not kidding. I'm filling my lungs now because Dick's buggered off with all bloody gear, hasn't he? Off bicycle. Greeny stood at a roundabout, offering you one at a roundabout. How can you put your arm out and get one at a roundabout, eh? I don't.
You okay?
Alright.
Yeah.
Oh,
Scotty.
get it down.
Phil, you want that? Phil, we're only looking at, I should send him about 15 minutes.
Greeny, was it? Hey, can you ever believe that we give tablets to him?
Phil, how do you feel after 65 miles of hardly non-stop riding?
Back to get a pint.
I'll have a few to eat.
Oh, Nate, get them two on there, lad. Just flick it across past Phil. Go on, flick it across. Go on, Nate. Welcome to them two. Just give them a little. That's it. Just have a look, that'll boost Phil up, that. Go on, Phil, that boosts his ego.
Yeah.
Get him a beer.
I know.